the male and the female cardinal waiting. I put them out some bread and pizza crust from the pizza we had last night during the Super Bowl. But we got Meow 1 and Meow 2, which they're in a stare down right now, even with this much distance between them. But the male cardinal was sitting out on the stump this morning waiting for me to feed him. And then we got all this going on. The line is different every time. And I keep wiping the screen off thinking it's just a dirty lens. But it changes every time. Come on, y'all. Let's let the let the birds eat. Y'all have a blessed day.